Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both units so the radio can recognize a new partner. Power the Light Radio 3 and your transmitter, and make sure batteries are charged and stable. Once done, insert the bind plug or press the receiver's bind button, then put the transmitter into bind mode per its manual. Keep devices 1 to 2 meters apart and disable other RF sources nearby to avoid interference. This focused prep reduces errors and ensures the receiver is ready to accept a new link. Now you perform the actual bind where the two units exchange identities. Trigger the transmitter's bind command and watch its screen or lights for the pairing prompt. Simultaneously monitor the Light Radio 3 receiver's LED. Specific blink patterns change when it receives the bind packet. Keep both powered and motionless. Once you see the confirmation pattern, the devices have exchanged keys. Make sure to wait the full bind timeout of several seconds rather than interrupting, because premature power cycles often break the key exchange. Finish by removing the bind plug or exiting bind mode on the transmitter so both units store the new pairing. Power cycle each device to ensure the link persists, then perform control checks. Move throttle, yaw, and pitch while observing receiver outputs or servos. Also verify the configured failsafe activates if you cut transmitter power. If binding fails, retry with fully charged batteries, move to a different location, or reset the receiver's memory before a new bind attempt. That troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.